G'day everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen this channel, I'm Pierre and this is Simple Homebrew. Today I'm here to just explain what I'm doing in the next month or so. I'm on holiday for a couple of weeks, so I've got some time to make some videos and I'm going to go out and about. I'm going to do some tasting videos out and about like I usually do, and hopefully make another beer and use some of my new equipment, which is the Apollo Titan and the kegs that I've got, and try them out in my kegerator and see if they actually fit, because I said in my last video that they all fit, 3 of them in there, but I've been told maybe not. So we'll try that out. But today I'm going to taste a Burra Stout from Burra. I don't think I've had this one before. I've seen it on the shelves before, but I've never really tried it. And it looks a bit cloudy. It's come up a bit less carbonated than I thought, but I think it's going to be a tasty beer. It smells great. So here it is. So this is it. This is a Burra. The smell is just normal, basic, just a beer smell, of course. Not yeasty at all. A little bit yeasty, to tell you the truth. I am smelling a bit yeasty, a bit bready, but beery. I can't smell the alcohol, 5.2%. Malty, not really. Maybe a little bit, just a little bit. And the taste, bitter. Definitely stout tasting. Sun's bearing down on me. It's fairly warm actually, and it's not a bad beer. It's a bit sweeter than I expected. It's not bad. It's a good bite on the tongue. Burnt flavours there. It is very cloudy. That's one thing I've noticed. No idea why, but it is. And yeah. So what I'm doing is this week, in the next 2 weeks, you're going to see 3 more videos. You're going to see a few more videos from me from now on, and I'm heading off to Werribee.
You going Werribee, mate?
Hey, Cornelius, how are you?
Hey, sure right. Hey, well, you gone? Can I do a brew?
Yeah, mate, why not?
Yeah?
Why not?
Yeah, should I? Hey, awesome.
Oh, of course you can.
You want to do a pick kit?
Yeah, good,
Do a
good,
kit and a
good.
pick.
Yeah.
Picking a kit. A kit. Anyway, I won't let you down, mate. I'll call you if I have problems.
Yeah, no worries.
And, yeah, be cool. Hey, awesome, thanks, mate.
I'm glad you're happy, mate. Cheers. Hey, that was Cornelius. How cool is that? He's going to do a beer. He's going to do a beer while I'm away. And I'm going to be his guide, I suppose. He'll probably hopefully watch some of my videos and work off that. It should be right. So yeah, I don't know where he came from. Unbelievable. So anyway, we're heading to the zoo down there, Werribee Zoo. We're going to do some videoing down there. I'm going to do some tastings, hopefully visit some places that I want to see, and go on a couple of boat cruise in Melbourne and do a couple of things that I like to do. So it looks like Cornelius is going to do a beer on his own. He'll obviously call me, I hope, to let me know what he's doing, and we'll be spot on, I think. So I hope you like this channel. I hope you can support it with Patreon. I do thank my Patreons for supporting this channel, and everybody on YouTube who actually are supporting me on there as well. Cheers, guys. Thank you very much for your support. And guys, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, and we'll check you on the next one. Cheers.